C'est Education, oui, en anglais, Claire.
Education Business Leader Award with Mrs. Temilola Adepetun from Nigeria, CEO of SKLD Integrated Services Limited.
Elle a fait fortune dans les kits scolaires, comme l'a dit Russell Laurie tout à l'heure. Elle est donc la lauréate de l'Education Business Leader Award. Madame Temilola Adepetun du Nigeria, PDG de SKLD Integrated Service Limited.
Et qui a plus de 500 entreprises qui reçoivent justement donc son expertise. Thank you very much. Congratulations. La photo. Son entreprise dessert près de 24 États au Nigeria.
Ces informations sont disponibles aux pages 22 et 23. Pages 22 et 23 de vos plaquettes. Voilà. Je voudrais qu'on lui accorde un minimum d'attention, s'il vous plaît, mesdames et messieurs. Son histoire peut vous inspirer.
A very good evening to the distinguished ladies and gentlemen in the room. It gives me great pleasure to be here, and it is indeed a privilege and an honor that I've been given this award. And it's an award of entrepreneurship, my entrepreneurship journey, which I started at the age of 40, and I've run the business for 22 years plus. And I'm very grateful to have been recognized for my contributions to educational supply sector, because in Nigeria we supply over 500 schools, and we do business across 24 states out of the 36 states in Nigeria. I'd like to thank most especially Monsieur Laurent for organizing this forum, because much as we have succeeded in Nigeria, we would like to succeed in West Africa. We'd like to expand and do business with neighboring countries like Ghana, like Cote d'Ivoire, Benin, and Togo, who are just our neighbors around the corner, including Dakar and Senegal, because we also do humanitarian aid supplies as well. So it is a pleasure, and it's my hope that after this forum, we'll all go back home and do work on our governments, officials, to make sure that they do take the the African trade very seriously, because we need to connect. Instead of connecting with Europe and US, we should indeed connect with each other. We are one, and we are in one continent. We should do business and make our continent richer. Instead of taking the money meant for Africa, instead of taking it out, let's bring it in and let's consolidate it. Thank you very much. Once again, I thank you.
Je vous remercie pour ce prix. Nous desservons donc 500 écoles dans 24 États du Nigeria. Et bien sûr, au niveau des kits scolaires, nous souhaiterions justement l'étendre désormais avec l'appui de nos autorités en Côte d'Ivoire, au Ghana, pourquoi pas. Sachez que nous devons, en tant que continent, demeurer connectés, et surtout, nous devons apprendre à demeurer unis. C'est très important.
Voilà la consécration d'une dame qui a misé, bien sûr, qui a mis toute son énergie pour l'éducation dans son pays de Nigeria. Elle est consacrée ce soir par le bâtisseur de l'économie africaine avec ce trophée, donc Education Business Leader Award.